Alright, so who knows how sealed up tight this mold's going to be? I would guess not very. That would be my expectation. So I'm going to take some simple, make a little thing so if it does leak, it doesn't get all over the shop. Alright, that's a very good idea. Oh, thank you. Alright. I guess we're doing this thing. Yeah, this stuff, picked this up at a sculpting specialty store yesterday. On advisement from the person there who seems to know her stuff very well. It's a 70D 2-bar resin. I don't know how strong it is, but this is just a concept mark, so alright. Well then. Just spray it around. Oh boy! Oh, come on, dude. Getting it everywhere. Well, there we go. Question mark. I just cracked open the mold and I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with the result. The material's pretty cool, the flashing peeled off. Got a couple places where some points of interest happened. Right here, that sprue that I forgot to cut would have really helped. You had a bubble in there. It's okay. For the proof of concept, I can sand it down, and then if I need any extra height, I can add it back with washers. I've got to do some cleanup around the mold lines. My bolt holes didn't go all the way through. Again, not super surprising. There's one spot in the pivot cup holder that there must have been a bubble in the silicone because I got a little bump there, but the stuff cuts pretty easily. So it's not going to be difficult to clean up yet. Just kind of comes right off. It's nice. One other thing that happened that's interesting that I'm kind of excited about is the mold leaked everywhere, and I have all this extra cured resin, which is good because I haven't really worked with this material before, and I can see that it's got some spring to it. It's pretty flexible on a thin sheet, and when it fails, so I bend it to the point where it breaks, it doesn't snap. It flexes a lot before anything happens, and then it just kind of doesn't really seem to do anything right now. It tears. There you go. There's a tear. It just kind of weakens and then splits apart, which is great. It's not going to shatter, which makes me feel a lot better. It's pretty likely that if anything were to go wrong, even the really thin sections, if anything were to go wrong, I'd not end up on my face, which is a fear. So, yeah, I mean, considering all the difficulty of making the mold, I'm pretty happy with how this came out. So let's do some cleanup and see how that goes. Spoke too soon. I'm just cutting off this one little last piece of excess, I don't know if you can see it, excess resin that got into that bubble that was in the pivot cup. Prying that guy up. Oh, there we go. Bit by bit. I gotta say, this stuff works pretty well. I guess machines would be the word, but it you know, it takes tooling very well. I'm happy with how the sanding came out. I'm happy with redrilling the bolt holes. Pretty good prototype material. Come on, guy, let go. Come on out of here. Come on, there you go. There you go. Come on. Alright. Let me bring that real quick. There you go. I'm just going to rinse this off. I think that's good enough to put on a board. I'm excited. Very excited.